It's tea time. Today, I'm going to share with you some of my latest, most fabulous and favorite finds in herbal and health supportive teas. If you're a tea lover like me, I'm so excited to share with you these awesome, beneficial, and super tasty teas. One of my favorite segments here on my YouTube channel is tea time. I love tea and I love sharing with you great teas that can help support your health and wellness, that are tasty and really powerful for your health. So what I was just drinking is a new tea that I found, Calm and Relax. This is a German tea that combines rooibos, lemon balm, honey bush, and hops. So if you're looking for a tea to drink kind of later in the day or even before bedtime to kind of help you wind down, relax the stress hormone called cortisol, and to just give your body a calming effect that will enhance the central nervous system regulation and kind of downgrade everything, just kind of ease into your evening. This is a great tea. Now, if you also experience morning elevations of cortisol, you could drink this in the morning. This makes for a great coffee replacement because you're going to bring things down while leveling your overall state so you can tackle your day. I love this tea and it's so delicious. I would recommend adding a little honey and a little dash of cinnamon just to give it yum flavor. I love this tea and think you will too. I'll provide a link down below. I'll tell you I found it at our local Sprouts. Next, I'm going to share with you a new Buddha tea, and it is called Calm Buddha Blend. You might be kind of catching my drift here. We're trying to calm and tone everything down. And even before you open the tea, you can just smell the aroma. And quite forward is lavender in the tea, but it has chamomile, lavender, passion flower, skullcap, spearmint, St. John's wort, and cinnamon bark. This is a great tea if you feel like you're kind of on edge or experiencing everyday stressors, particularly everyday stressors at work. This is a great tea to have in your arsenal of teas in your office setting. And if you're going into a really complicated meeting or a difficult conversation, maybe with a colleague or a boss, this tea will kind of get you armed and ready. This will calm down your central nervous system and allow you to be focused and not have some of the negative effects like heart racing and maybe even flushing and even diarrhea for some folks. This is really, really great. I love it. I've been adding a little bit more stress management in my tea mix. So the first one and this one, these are more in my stress management arsenal. And to go with the first two teas, I just adore Saffron Tea. This is what it looks like. I've done a specific tea video on saffron, so I'll save you kind of the details here. But what I love is diffusing this, and it really is great for many folks who might be dealing with elevations in blood pressure or a parasympathetic nervous system that's gone a little awry, and you might be dealing with a little bit more complex stress-related conditions or side effects of stress. It smells so fantastic, and it's such a powerful tea. This is a tea that's been around for thousands of years, and I recently found this particular version of organic saffron at our local Costco, and it was really inexpensive. So I'm really excited to share that's an option for you. I'll also include another option for you in the description box. I have actually gotten a lot of questions on my socials about my cute little unicorn loose leaf tea holder. I'll post a link for her and other cute little tea holders like this. You guys may or may not know this, but I adore unicorns. And when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. But what's really cool is her little feet sit right there on the teacup, and then I just drink the tea throughout the day. I'll add in more hot water. Sometimes I'll add a little bit more saffron or whatever loose leaf tea, but this is just a really good way to contain loose leaf tea if that's how you're consuming your tea. So rounding out our tea selection here today and sticking with our gold theme, I am adding the Solar Plexus Chakra Tea by Buddha Tea on today's list. You may or may not know this, but when I first started in a clinical setting, I actually had part of my center, it was a wellness center, and I had a retail boutique. And I sold some of the first lines, like they've since rebranded, but I have sold the entire Buddha Tea line. They have a whole entire chakra tea line that I love. and it covers all of the chakras. And what's really cool is these teas will be often the color of the chakra that we're trying to invigorate. So the solar plexus is right in here. It's fun, it's joyful, and it's adrenal soothing. Again, you kind of catch my drift. I'm trying to address my adrenals and relax and de-stress. This solar plexus tea, you're gonna find it is mostly lemongrass, it's ginger, marshmallow leaf, rosemary, and orange peel. It's a great, great, beautiful tea. I just love it. You can drink it in the day and you can also drink it later in the day. So there's my tea selection for you today. Of the 4 that I've highlighted here, which ones are you drinking and which ones are you interested in trying? I love hearing from you, especially my tea lovers out there, and let me know if you have any teas that you have recently found that you love. I'm always looking for recommendations to add to my huge tea collection. I have a whole section in our kitchen where Brian lets me have just a ton of teas. So if you're interested in how I organize that, let me know and I'll post a video on that as well. But I really love sharing the benefits of teas for your health, and all of these 4 are going to help support stress management and overall decrease the effect of stress on your body. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're curious about other tea videos, I'll post a playlist there. And make sure you check out the description box for more details, product links, and other videos that you might find beneficial. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you on our next video. Oh, shoot. Oh man, I didn't want her to be all